Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to add two numbers using JavaScript. Okay, so first what I am going to do is I am going to go to Google and type simply without we have to going to implementation the form. You have to go to the Bootstrap official website. You have to go over here. Okay, now I am going to open the VS Code editor, Visual Code. Here I am going to go to the my D drive. Open up one folder which is uh, JavaScript EX. Here I'm going to go open up CMD code space dot to import the completely entire code. Okay, so now here I'm going to go to do the exercises. So I'm going to open up here index.html. Here hold on the shift key down and press 1. Implement the codes. Here I'm going to go to the Bootstrap. Go to the example. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is here before the example you have to go to the Bootstrap official site. You have to copy the CDNs. This is for copy this one and put inside the head tag for HTML, sorry, CSS. JavaScript you must implementation, you must get it done by done inside the body tag. Okay, that CSS implementation you must include inside the add tag. JavaScript implementer you must include inside the body tag. Then only it's work. The responsive is working. Okay. Now I'm going to go to type form. So you can see that some forms here forms. Yes, a form. Okay, you can go to the here is a forms. You can click on the forms. Okay. Under the forms, you can click on it. Here's a forms. So there's a form. So you can go to get one the form design. I need a form with button. Okay, I need a form with button. Okay, so this is a form. We have one button. Okay, so here a button. So we can use it this one or any exercises. Okay. So let's if you want you can use it this one. Otherwise, we'll go to over here. Uh, Example. We'll go to the example. Here also you can have a this is a you can find it over any form example. So otherwise, rather than you are going to designing, you can write simple bootstrap form. Okay, it's straight away it's coming. Open it. Okay, sometimes it's very hard to find. Here this is the form I am looking for. Okay, if you are going to found that respective website, we can find it. So it takes some time to found it. Okay, so that we can. This is the bootstrap form. We need a 5. The latest version is 5. You can when you go to that one also you can find it for the 5. Okay, so this one for the 5. Copy this, paste inside the body. Control S to save. I'm going to go to the respective link. Whether it's working or not. Oh, it's working. It's working fine. Now what I'm going to do is here, I have to make some little bit an adjustment. So body tag, I'm going to use the div class container. Container, open and close bracket. Okay, inside the container, you can use it here. Div class called md. You can 6. You can use 6. It's enough. Now this form, I'm going to go to just copy this, paste it over here, can align it. Control S to save. Now let's check on it. Here it's coming like this. I need this like. Okay. So after that we can use it the padding margin, you can adjust it. Okay, the margin top empty, you can write it here. Empty top 4. Okay, you can use it. Empty top, empty 6. So empty 4 is right. It is default only for empty 5. Okay, it's okay. Okay, this how we have adjust the margin top. Okay, you can do the padding also. Padding, you can write padding 3 p3, you can use it. Okay, so padding px, you can write px. Okay, okay, it's enough. So now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to go to do the thing is, this is for not an input box number, you have to use input box number. This is not an email address, you have to make it as number. Number 1. I need this password field, we don't need them. Okay, this is a number. This all things we don't need them. We can use this all things we don't need. We don't need to make the confusion. Only you can take this only this one also we can no need. Okay. Extra not need this all things. Okay, this all things we need, copy and paste it over here. This one too we can put it here as a 2. Okay, now here this one, this margin and padding you have to implement it here, not there. Okay, now it's okay, it's coming here, that's why it's a problem. Okay, so that we have to implement here as well. Now you can see, now it's aligned correctly. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is I have a button submit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is when I click the form, I want to add 2 numbers. So how to do the task? Okay, that is our task, right? According to the task, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the body. I'm going to implement the script. Open and close script. When you open the script, you must close the script. Okay. Here I'm going to type. Here you can write okay, button. You can type over here. 1 click, add numbers. Okay, 1 click, you have to add numbers. Okay, so you have to make the function this add numbers. Now here I'm going to go to do the validation. So you have to create the variable let data type num1 equal, you have to pass flat document dot element by id. You have to write get element by id. You have to write get element by id. You have to write this one should be the num1 dot value. num2. Okay, so what's the number you are entered, it is stored over here. Okay, that's how it's things works. Okay, so here we have not to implement the function. Okay. So what is the number you enter on this text field? It is entered here, it is passing here, it is passing here. This number one, sorry, now its ID or given the name is must num1 num2. Okay, so that's the thing we have to do it. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to enter let, you have to create another variable, let answer equal num1 plus num2. Got alert, you can write this answer. What's the answer is coming? It's coming like this. Okay, now let's test it whether it is working fine or not. Here also this function we have to copy and paste it over here. This is the thing you have to wait. So again, if you have the ID also, we have to write num1, this one also num2. We need this ID, name and ID is must. That's the thing we have to write it. Okay, so let's save all. Now again run again. 2 3, here 5 will be the answer. It's working successfully. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I hope you can understand this code, simple code. Okay.